now that we have Laravel installed, I might as well just do a kind of couple demos for you. And so I turned Laravel back on, and what I want to do is show you a couple of the features of Scotchbox. And I showed you in the last one how you can access Redis, but like a more common thing that I just want to cover. I apologize, guys. My internet is so slow right now. We're going to. There's all these features inside of Scotchbox that you can access. For example, you can go down the list here. SSH into the box. If we need Node installed. If we need NPM is installed. And pretty much anything you'll need. All the settings and stuff is in here. Or you can just SSH in and try to change anything yourself. But the most common thing you'll probably use is this mailhog thing. And so you're developing locally on a VM, and if you're testing emails, it's a pain in the butt. Fortunately, if you go to your IP address at port 8025, this will actually catch all your emails by default. It's all set up. So I'm not even going to use the Laravel way of doing things. I'll just do PHP mail function and grab some demo code from W3 schools and copy paste. Let's just copy paste this whole thing. And I know this is real messy, but I'm just going to, whenever you hit the /test, send a regular old mail message to someone at example.com and then exit just for demo purposes. And so now if we go to Laravel project 1/test, it just did nothing because it exited, but it should hopefully have sent a mail, and it did. I hit refresh twice. But now we can catch our emails here for debugging. Super convenient.